So outside of real estate, what do you like to do for fun?
Well, I'm sitting here in my backyard, and this is our fun zone, if you will. I could move the camera and show you all the angles, but bottom line is I have 4 kids. They're, as of the filming of the video, they're all under the age of 8. So
Wow.
8, 6, 5, and 2. So I am in the thick of doing the dad stuff. We've got a pool right over here. You see a soccer goal maybe over my
Yeah.
shoulder, trampolines, that kind of thing. So I'm just out here all the time playing with my kiddos. They're involved in sports and horseback riding. So watching them go play soccer and football, that kind of thing. So that's pretty much what I do. And then we've got a pretty good social circle of friends that we have come over and play here, play at their house. I've gotten into pickleball lately, so I don't know if I want to admit that or not, but it's been fun for some of us guys to play.
That's
Oh, and
awesome.
then also we do like to travel too when we can. Again, I don't know when you're watching this video, but haven't been able to do so much of that lately. We've got a couple friends that have cabins up in northern Arizona, which is awesome to get out of the heat at any time of the year. And then I've got family back in the Midwest, and then we've got family up in Oregon too that we try to go both directions at least once a year.
Amazing.